Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now we have to tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, all you have to do is to simply enter about phone, find the build number, keep tapping on it, and then the developer options will be activated. If you're not very sure of what I just said, then you can check our tutorial of how to enable developer options. We've got it on our channel. So after checking it, let's enter the developer options, and all we have to do right now is to simply scroll in order to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned off, so if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So manually you do not need to do anything actually. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.